Hey, welcome to my channel. In this video I will say you about what is link in bio on Instagram. When someone says link in bio in an Instagram post, it is call to action for the customer. It invites you to visit their profile and check out their biography, which contains a URL that leads you to an external website. Instagram has a specific policy on posting links that can lead users away from their website or app. Even though you can post links in the regular post, users will not be able to click on the URL. In other words, they will have to copy and paste the link or open another window in their browser and type out the entire thing. Since the advertising space on Instagram is free, it makes sense that they decided to limit it. The link in your bio is only clickable one. You can see here there is only one link in my bio. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video.